Today is National Nurses Day. Health professionals from across the Commonwealth are rallying at the state capitol for more protections. Mallory Messner joins us live now with more on the Healthcare Workplace Violence Prevention Act. Good afternoon to you, Mallory.
Good afternoon, James. Nurses are talking with lawmakers before they vote on the Healthcare Workplace Violence Prevention Act. The bill was spurred by the shooting at UPMC Memorial Hospital back in February. It would establish a violence prevention committee in all hospitals. It would also protect healthcare workers from retaliation if they report violence in their workplace. Frontline healthcare workers would be on the committee to push for policy change to protect themselves from violence in the workplace. I spoke with one nurse with the SEIU Nurses Union. She says her hospital already has a committee like this that has made changes to protect healthcare workers.
We have weapons detection systems at all the main entrances of the hospital. We have a vigorous security deployment. We have on-site, we have our own Highmark police within the building. So it makes for a much improved workplace safety environment, although it doesn't prevent anything. So we're looking for ways to prevent what we can and to protect the nurses from injury.
There is a rally this afternoon where nurses will call on lawmakers to pass this legislation along with the Patient Safety Act. We'll have that part of the story tonight at 5, James.
You know, Mallory, it's sad that we are at a place where nurses and healthcare workers have to rally to ask for something like this just because of situations, like you said, that happened at the hospital there in York County earlier this year. Have we heard from any lawmakers about what they plan to do?
The lawmakers have been advocating for this legislation, the bill's sponsors, I should say, since that shooting at UPMC Memorial Hospital back in February. Legislation like this has been introduced before, but when I spoke with bill sponsors earlier this year, they told me they introduced the bill earlier in the session in hopes that they would get it passed in time.
All right, Mallory Messner live for us there at the state capitol in Harrisburg. Thank you so much for that.